The drywallers came back today. I wasn't here, unfortunately. I had to work. Once in a while, I gotta do that. But I think what they did today was they sanded all the stuff they mudded. So now it's nice and smooth. And there's Edgar, finishing up the last coat of drywall. Okay, they have finished applying all of the joint compound on the walls down here. It's nice and smooth. All they need to do now is come back and sand it. It smells like, kind of like paint, kind of like flour. Last day of the drywall guys today. They are sanding today. Oh, he's on his phone right now, but he was sanding. And I'm gonna take a video through the safety of the closed glass because it's gonna get pretty dusty. Oh, he's sanding again. Let's see. He's got sandpaper on the end of that stick. This clearly took place over the course of multiple days. And you can see how they always need to shine a light, like really close to where they're sanding, just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. I think the drywall guys are done. Just a little dust still here from the sanding, but it looks pretty good. They look like walls. What did we learn today? I learned that sanding is boring. This might be the most boring episode I've ever put out. Thank you for watching it. There's no reality show about sanding walls, though maybe there should be. But no, there shouldn't be because it's boring. I had to include it because I would be remiss if I left it out. You would wonder, well, did they ever sand their walls? You have to put the drywall up, mud it, and then sand it. Because if you don't sand it, your walls are gonna be really rough. And who wants rough walls? Not me.